Shericka Jackson, known for her powerful sprints and strong finishes. Jackson has consistently been a top performer in international competitions. Julien Alfred, a rising star with impressive speed and determination. Alfred has shown significant improvement this season. Shericka Jackson out of the blocks with a commanding start, quickly taking the lead. Her powerful strides and strong acceleration set the pace for the rest of the field. Coming out of the bend, Shericka Jackson continued to lead, but Julien Alfred began to close the gap with a tremendous burst of speed. With about 50 meters to go, the race took an unexpected turn as Jackson suddenly pulled up just before the finish line. It was unclear if she suffered from a cramp or another issue, but she was not limping, which left room for speculation about the cause. Some observers wondered if the pressure from Alfred's closing speed might have been a factor. Julien Alfred seized the opportunity, surging ahead to win the race. Shericka Jackson's decision to pull up near the finish line is both concerning and intriguing. It's possible she experienced a slight discomfort and chose to stop as a precautionary measure. This cautious approach could be seen as a wise decision, prioritizing her health and readiness for the Olympics. Fans and analysts will be closely watching her recovery and training updates. Her performance in Paris will be a true test of her resilience and strategic decision-making. If she can fully recover and compete at her best, Jackson remains a strong contender for an Olympic medal